Hello guys, today I decided to film a get ready with me and I'm gonna follow Ariana Grande. Vogue posted a video with the skincare routine and a guide to the 60s get I by Ariana Grande, so I want to follow that. So I have my laptop in there with the video and let's just start. We are gonna do the skin prep very fast and then we are gonna move into the makeup. So she's starting with a serum. I'm gonna use the Hello Good stuff. She's using probably a very expensive one, but I just want something hydrating first. And that should do. My skin is getting red because I have that type of skin that is turning red. When you are touching it, it will be back to normal in just a second.
Next, I'm going to use La Mer moisturizer, and I'm going to mix it with some SPF. Growing up in Florida,
So of course she's using La Mer. All celebrities do. Is maybe it's good, but it's way too expensive. But the thing that I don't really want to do and I don't really like, she's talking next about protecting your skin from the sun, which is amazing, but she's mixing the La Mer cream with an SPF and I don't really do that, and I don't really like doing that because you are gonna just apply less SPF. So what I'm gonna do is just apply my normal SPF on the skin and no moisturizer because I already have some moisture on. I prefer to do this step on its own. Next she's applying some eye masks and some cooling balm under the eyes. I don't have anything like that, so I'm just gonna use my normal eye cream. This is the Severe one. I'm gonna put a thin layer around my eyes. So she's using next the REM foundation. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Purito BB cream. I just want something lightweight today. I was interested in the REM foundation, but I decided afterwards to just purchase the Fenty one, the stick one, because I'm not used to stick foundations, so I was really curious to see how that one is and to test at least a new form of foundation. I like that she's using a sponge and she's putting a bit of foundation on the eyelids as well. So she's using concealer under the eyes and then she is baking right after that, which I again really like because I have oily skin, mostly my T-zone, but I like setting everything pretty fast as well. So I'm gonna use my Huda loose powder. She's using one from beige that is loose as well. Next she's doing brows and she has very short, she's talking about that as well, she has really short brows and she wants to do that straight Audrey Hepburn kind of eyebrow. So I will try my best to not elongate mine and just make them a bit on the straight side. I'm gonna use next the Revolution bronzer. She is using a contour from Danessa Myricks. I really like that she's mentioning the products as well, and she was talking about makeup in her life as a singer and as an actress, and as well how the queens influenced her, and I think that is lovely. And to see like a big celebrity as Ariana Grande talk about normal stuff like makeup influencing her and makeup and feeling insecure and wearing makeup to hide a bit, because at the end of the day celebrities are normal people as well and we are seeing them as something different, like they are not human anymore, but they are like normal people as well. So she's applying the contour thingy a bit lower than I would, similarly to Lady Gaga. She's defining like the cheekbones and applying as well a bit in here. And with the button nose, let's try it, but she's using a bit of that thing in here and around the nose, like this, just to create like a circle. Did I achieve something? I don't know. Mine is a bit too warm for this, but I will blend it with the sponge and it will be okay. For highlighter, she's using the Miss Mercury from GRANDE Beauty, but she's putting it only here, so sure. Only here it is. And then she's removing the baking powder, so let's do that. She's blending it with the sponge. Next, she's using a fluffy brush with an eyeshadow, so I'm gonna blend just a bit my foundation and concealer from the eyelids. It doesn't seem like she's applying a primer or something, so I'm not gonna apply anything. And she's taking something like this, so I'm gonna use Unity from the My Dream palette from Natasha Denona, something peachy pink, and she's putting it all over. Okay, next she's taking an eyeshadow stick. I don't have that, but it seems like a gold shimmery kind of pinky champagne shade. So I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer and I'm gonna create the same shape with it, and then I'm gonna put a shimmer on top. So the shape is done. I'm gonna take Spontaneous and spray it and put it all over. So we have something like this. I hope you can see it. It is like a triangle in here. Next, she's using blush. I will use Shellie by Benefit. And she's putting it on the cheeks. Next, she's using two browns. One is more warm and one is cooler toned. So I'm gonna mix this one and this one. And she smudges the line, the lashes in here with those two. So let's do the same. So that is with the wing, and next she's doing mascara, so I'm gonna apply some as well. This is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara.
I want to see my well-earned cry lines and smile lines. I hope my smile lines get deeper and deeper, and I laugh more and more, and I just think aging is like it can be such a beautiful thing.
Okay, so I think these are eyes done. I really like, again, she's starting lips, but she's saying about lip fillers and that she stopped like in 2018 and that she was hiding, and she's totally supporting lip fillers or stuff like that, but as well she wants to just embrace getting older and stuff like that, and I love that. I really like that she's very transparent, and as well talking about getting older, because we sometimes are very scared of getting older, but in a way it's so beautiful and we are so lucky. And to see a celebrity talking about stuff like that, it is very refreshing, and I totally understand, because I was using makeup for hiding for a long time as well, and now it's just more creative, and I love makeup for just applying it and wearing it, and not that much about changing how I look and stuff like that. Next, she's using a lip stain, so I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty one. So after lip stain, she's putting a bit of gloss on top. I'm gonna put a bit of the Sigma lip oil. And then she says that she's removing this combo and putting another gloss on, so she's of course removing the lip stain. So I'm gonna do that as well. So now we have some color. I'm applying another gloss on top. And then she's using Matte Vanilla, so I'm gonna use this one today. And I really like the Ariana Grande perfumes. This is my second one. I do have the Cloud one as well. And I really enjoy the price point and everything about these perfumes. They are really, really nice. And then she's applying another lip product, so something watermelony, so I'm applying a bit of something reddish just on top, and then she's intensifying the liner in here, so I'm gonna use a bit of Natasha Denona a black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put a bit of brown just on top because she's using a very, very dark brown and I don't have that, so I want to mix it up. And lastly, she's using some setting spray. And this is the final look. I really like the video. I enjoy watching it and as well what she was saying. And the makeup looks really good. I would change just the brows a bit. I'm gonna put a bit of brow gel in them. And then I'm gonna apply just a bit more powder on my forehead. And probably a bit more highlighter because she was not using highlighter on her cheeks from what I gathered. She seemed to have pretty matte under eyes and this part in here, cheeks. Only the nose highlighter, so yeah. It looks really, really good. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.